Good afternoon, YouTube. Piper Okie here. Today, hang on. I'm doing a review of Carolina Kirk's Experiment Coffee Blend. I'm doing them in backwards order. Yesterday I did experiment number 2. I guess I should have done this one first, but it's so windy here. And today I'm trying in one of my little clay pipes I call my sipping pipes. These clay pipes were made in Germany. I think right before World War I, so that 1920s to 1940s time frame. They were produced for like 20 years, and the company went out of business. But the only evidence that you know I looked up online, is that biplane on it. And if you guys ever see these, grab them up. They make great little tasting pipes. When I sample a blend, see what it's all about, these pipes are perfect for it. But downside is they're pretty fragile. Oh boy, that sun's really bright. I don't know if this is the same coffee blend, just not pressed into a flake. Pull all this stuff out of the sun, because as it sits in the sun it gets scorching hot. Pick up a tamper, burn your fingers. I've only been out here less than a minute. Interesting. There's definitely a difference between this one and coffee experiment number 2. I'm still getting that cocoa, but out of it, like the experiment number 2, but this one, hang on. There's something different about this one. That slight citrusy Virginia. Yeah. A little bit of a, I don't want to say twinge and I don't want to say twang, but that underlying Virginia note is more prevalent in this one, in my opinion. It's there, but it's not overpowering. I would say it takes a back seat in the overall flavor profile to me. I don't know what other people got out of it. It's still good. You're definitely taking this one with me too, Kirk. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take all your samples. Let the guys at the Pipe Club sample it, write down their notes and what they think's in there, and I'll forward that all to you. Well, it's changing a little bit. Now I'm getting further in the bowl. Purposely smoking it fast to see what I can get out of it. See what changes up in it between that little tiny bowl. You don't get much out of that bowl, but retrohale smooth, not bitey like most Virginia retrohales. It's consistent all the way through. Give it that. Like I said, I think I like the experiment number 2 better. This is still good, don't get me wrong. Please don't think I'm knocking this. Walt, I think you're onto something with your blends, buddy. It's like a slight, it's a cocoa with a slight citrus undernote. It's the only way I can explain it, and I'm assuming that's the Virginia's in it. It's smooth. Even when I sit here and try to like really chooch on it, it's still smooth. It's coffee blended. I don't know if you guys can see that. Coffee experiment blend, or experiment coffee blend. This is good, Walt. I think you're onto something, buddy. I'm still recovering from my sinus infection, which could really alter my flavor profile from everything I read online, but I don't know. Well, that's my review. This is good, but I think out of the 2, my favorite is experiment number 2. All right, guys. Thank you, Kirk, for sending me this. I'll review more of your products as I go along that you sent me. But it's another really good one, Kirk. I think you're on the. I keep calling you Kirk. Walt. Walt, I think you're really onto something here, buddy. Something good. Almost 7 minutes out of a chooch on little bowl like this, and it's still going. Still hasn't changed. The profile hasn't changed from the char light to now. Very consistent all the way through. There we go. Problem with these things are they get so stinking hot. They're this short. Or see these at a flea market or antique store, buy them all. That's all I gotta say. Like I say, my perfect little tasting pipe and little sippers to sample stuff. Oh, wind's blowing everything around. All right, guys, Piper Okie out.